got you. Scared you. Just kidding. Hey guys, I hope everyone's doing great. I'm gonna kind of voice over this section just because I kind of tried to voice over with the ending clip of me filming and doing it, but it did not turn out good. So I'm in trial and error over here. But yeah, so basically I'll give you the rundown of what I'm doing. So this customer, I said, hey, I text him, hey, my season's going to be ending soon around November 28th, and do you want to stay on the schedule and I can take care of your leaves for the same price, right? So then they're like, yes, I would love my leaves taken care of. Or they can jump off the schedule whenever, and then when the leaves fall, this property has a lot of leaves. So when the leaves fall, then I can come back and do the cleanup. Okay? And they opted to stay on the schedule, which I prefer because it keeps a schedule. So you're not just going there random and it's a one-time job. You know, I kind of like to stay busy if I can. I like to take my breaks and stuff, but I like to stay busy. But long story short, that's what this customer opted out to do. So if there's not that many leaves, then I'll blow them on the side of, next to the fence. But if there's a lot of leaves, and the leaves over here were kind of building up, so you can see I'm just blowing the leaves basically into the lawn, right? I haven't mowed the lawn, I haven't done anything yet. I'm just blowing leaves. And right here, I was taking a picture of this little spider. It's one of those spider goobers. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, there you go. It's one of those, I don't know what they're called. Those invasive ones. They're like yellow looking. I forgot what they're called. But yeah, put away your phone, get back to work. Just kidding. You're fired, you're hired. Alright. So basically I'm just blowing leaves, okay, into the lawn. And then I make kind of a pile. I don't pile them up into like one mound. I pile them, kind of dispersed and spread out. That way they're easier to mulch up. And guys, I don't even have mulching blades. So you can do this, and I'll show you that after. You guys can do it with whatever you have. Now, it may take a little bit longer. My mower, it mulches super good. So, excuse me guys. It mulches really good. So I just put down my little chute, my flap chute, and then I go around. And I usually do clockwise, little circles, and take little, I don't just hog out the middle of the whole pile, and just spray stuff everywhere. I take little strips, going along, and I kind of work my way clockwise going to the middle. And once I get the middle, then I'll go back and forth. And then, if that pile's too big, then I'll go backwards. Backwards is what really will clean up the lawn when you need to get it looking clean. So basically, once you do it, you really won't have that many leaves. Now, this isn't the end of leaf season, so do I have to get every single leaf? No. I just have to make it look presentable, like I'm taking care of the leaves, which that's what you're doing. They know that more leaves are going to fall. So you blow out all the corners, you blow everything into the lawn, you make like a pile. I spread out the pile like I said, and then that way it sets me up to come in with the mower. And then you mow it, and then once you're done, you weed eat, string trim, whatever you want to call it, edge, do all your things, and then you do a final blow off. Okay, the disperse if you have any fine bits built up, you know, because once you mulch them up, you know, it can leave like, it's almost like a dirt looking thing. It's just mulch. So you want to spread that out. You don't want to just leave it. And keep in mind, it does add nutrients back into the soil. So it will help the lawn as long as you don't leave it matted up. Right there I was throwing a ball on the trampoline. And they're nice. They always keep their trampoline out of the grass that I have to cut. So that's awesome. I don't have to move it, which I don't move trampolines. So that's not my thing there. But yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing, and I'll even, you know, leave in a little bits of sticks, you know, because as long as it's not big, you know, that'll mulch up too, you know, and it just makes stuff look even better. Now you can take them out. Now question, if anyone has one of those walker mowers where it bags, you know, it has a little hopper, maybe I need to ask one guy, do you have to pick up all these little sticks, or does it shred those too? Because that's what you know, my mower, I just go over it, you know. But I saw one guy, he has a walker, and he was picking up all these little baby sticks. I don't know if it blows out the fan or what, but yeah, that's basically it, guys. But let me know about the walker if you know. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll show you after here coming up. Alright guys, this is what it looks like, you know, once I'm done. Now this does not get up every single leaf, and then I'm not picking up sticks. Customer didn't elect for a pickup, but I blew out all this backside area. So, and then I blew everything into the lawn, and then I used my lawnmower to mulch it up. And a quick tip for you guys is if you can see there's a couple leaves there, you know, it's not a perfect process, but throughout you know, the end of the season and stuff, you can keep coming and take care of it, you know, as they fall. Sorry, thanks for watching the show, guys, and I appreciate you. There's been a lot of subscribers lately, a couple commenters, so I do appreciate that. I like the feedback. It kind of helps me know, you know, that not that I'm not wasting my time, but I want to be helpful and kind of share my experience and document my life. Here we go. Here's what the front looks like. Just kind of freshened up. There's some new leaves that are falling off this maple, but yeah, everything looks pretty good.